So, wow, lots of power. Wow, lots of power. So, Spinook, the lifeblood of no one. It died last competition, and there's a good reason for that. The drive belt, one of which I have many. This one in particular doing the best, and this one causing the problem. So the difference between these drive belts is approximately 3 millimeters of diameter. And that 3 millimeters is basically enough to cause the motor to slip. For example, in this configuration, it would slip on that. I can show you properly. It'd slip, allowing the motor to go full speed before this belt even started to twist the main shell. This belt, however, has the unfortunate ability to be the perfect size where no slip happens. That no slip allows the motor to not cog, and that cogging is necessary because otherwise basically this becomes the motor's bell, and when that ESC tries to make this go and spin around, it detecting those magnets, it can't because there's just too much rotational mass. And also, this is my new Helping Hands soldering station. It's got these nifty arms here with made of basically cooling loop, which is really cool. So I'll be using that. I can add more if I want. It's just so nifty. It's a really nice aluminum base too. Very nice and polished, and it's even got space for stuff. Not that I'm going to use it for anything. Maybe that. Yeah, we'll put that there. But yeah, it comes with all these accessories. It's got a magnifying glass, got a fan, it's USB. Got my robot. I mean, yeah, and this thing. Now this little guy right here, this should be able to program the Emax ESC that was causing me those problems, because it's got a soft start. So without further ado, I'm going to solder. This is so cool. So I need to solder that to this. So Perfect. Wow, this is so great. Not even using all the arms yet. This is so ridiculous. So what I'm trying to do here is I am trying to reprogram my ESC in order to fix the problems that I had with it, which is it had soft startup. And soft startup is no bueno. So we're gonna fix it. Apologies for the shaking. Welcome back. Welcome back. Do I have clean flight? I do have clean flight. Aww. Connect. Time to learn how to connect to clean flight. Where would it be? Oh, here we go. It's thinking about it. Port 4. Oh. I don't know how to connect to this thing. Okay, so I had to download a driver from Silicon Labs and find it in my device manager. It was COM4, yada yada. Found it. Yeah. Apparently I need to update something. Disconnect. Connect. Warning, the firmware on this device needs upgrading due to no reversion. Use CLI for backup before flashing. CLI backup. Download, use old version configurator if you are not. Huh? Well, let me just do that. And do this. It seems to have armed, which is interesting because I didn't arm it. Yeah. Welcome, document firmware flasher. Ooh. Choose a board. Ah. Oh no. SP Racing F3 V1. SP Racing F3. Must be this one. That one. Yeah. Manual selection for don't support default speed for flashing via Bluetooth. Okay. Let's do this. Load flash firmware. Warning, don't Communication with bootloader failed. Help! No response from bootloader. Flash. I don't know. Flash firmware. Welp. Oh, I wasn't connected. Herder. Welcome. It's not connected. Let's try that again. Connect. Wait, what? Do I not have to... Is this the problem? Oh, wait. Connect. Why aren't you connecting? Did it just time out? Alright, I understand the firmware is outdated. Disconnect. Firmware flasher. SB Racing F3. Probably. Yeah. This one. Load firmware. Woo! Okay. Flash. Communication with bootloader failed. Why? And we're back. I acquired the help of one very, very notorious roboteer who goes by the name of Ignatius Kyle. He helped me get the programmer working on Clean Flight and downloaded what I needed to. So now we're ready to put it back together and see how it goes. I love these things. This is so cool. Okay, where were we? Hot iron. Okay. Whoops. This is rather difficult. Come on. Well, looks like you're not going to get a shot. There we go. This is excellent. Now, now that we have programmed 150% throttle burst and turned off the restart setting, let's see how well this performs, shall we? Now, for those wondering, this belt here has a nib. That nib is a result of forming these things in place. But what I can do is I can chop them off with a flush cutter. But I'm not going to, because this belt here on this part of the this part of my rig simulates the amount of torque required to twist the streamek around, which is great, because then I can just test it right here. Oh. Oh, that's good news. Oh. Oh, hell yes. Now for the real test. This is very good news. Because before... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's exactly what it needs to do. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Mmm.